Today I'll be showing you how to make the most amazing chocolate cake ever. This is so moist and so delicious, and the best part of it is that you can make this from the comfort of your home. This is perfect for birthdays, for holidays, or whatever occasion you have. So what's stopping you from trying it out? To make this amazing chocolate cake, you'll be needing some all-purpose flour. Next, you'll be needing some cocoa powder. As usual, a full list of all these ingredients will be in the description box and their quantities. You also need some grinded sugar, some baking soda, baking powder. You'll be needing some salt, 2 large eggs, some buttermilk, vegetable oil, some vanilla extract, and some warm water. Firstly, you want to preheat your oven, and then you want to butter your pan. When you're done buttering your pan should look like this. Next, you want to add in your cocoa powder to dust your pan. This step is very important because you don't want your cake to stick into your pan when you are done baking. So you are going to be using cocoa powder since you are making a chocolate cake. So I'm just going to dust this around the pan so that when we're done baking, our cake just slips out of it nicely. If it's your first time on our channel, you're welcome to Alim vs Food. Do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so whenever we upload lovely recipes like this, you get to see it. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. So when you're done, your pan should look like this. Now, to a bowl, you want to add in your flour. Next, you're going to put in your cocoa powder. So basically, you're adding all your dry ingredients in this bowl. Next, we'll come in with our grinded sugar, our baking soda, baking powder, and then we'll be adding in our salt. Like I said earlier, a full list of all these ingredients and their quantities are in the description box, so you can check it out. We want to mix this properly. Just give this a really nice whisk so that everything is well combined. Make sure you scrape the edges too, just to make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. When you're done whistling, you'll come in with your wet ingredients. So this is our egg, our buttermilk, our vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and our warm water. When you're done adding in your wet ingredients, you want to give this a really nice whisk. You can do this by hand, or you can use your mixer if you have one available, but you really don't want to over mix this. You just want to make sure all the ingredients are well combined. So as you can see, I'm going to be doing this by hand. In my opinion, this chocolate cake is one of the easiest cake recipes ever. All you need to do is add in your dry ingredients and then come in step by step with the wet ingredients. If you are watching this, we would love to know in the comment section, will you be trying out this chocolate cake recipe. It's holidays and I know we are looking for things to make for our family and for our guests, and that's why we're bringing you this pretty easy chocolate cake recipe. So let us know in the comment section, are you going to be trying this out? And if you are still watching till now and you've not yet subscribed, like, I don't know what you're waiting for, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell also, so whenever we upload videos you will be the first to see it. Like I said, you don't want to over mix this. This is what your batter should look like when you're done. So next we are going to be bringing in our pan. So we'll pour in our batter into our pan. We are going to place this into our preheated oven. And then we'll just allow this to bake. Allow this to bake for 30 to 35 minutes until it meets the toothpick test. That means until when you put in a toothpick through the cake, it comes out clean. So our cake has been baking for a while now and it is now ready. Next, you want to place your cake on a wire rack so it can cool off properly. So we'll just place this on a wire rack to cool off for about 15 minutes, and then you can tilt it back. So this is our chocolate cake. Like I said, it's important you butter your pan. You see how the cake came out nicely. Next, I'm just going to be cutting this off. Disclaimer, please, after 15 minutes we couldn't wait anymore and we had to open our cake because everybody was, anticipating eating this, and this came out so delicious. So like you can see, I've just cut it open now. I want to show you how moist this chocolate cake is. So I said we didn't allow it to cool off completely. That's why you can still see smoke. So please guys, make sure you allow your cake cool off completely. Do not be like me. Guys, let me know in the comment section, would you love to try out this recipe? Are you going to be trying it out to see how moist this chocolate cake is? Oh my, so delicious. Guys, let me know in the comment section, and if you are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload videos like this you'll get to see it. Also, share these videos to your friends, share it to your loved ones so they can also try out this amazing chocolate cake recipe. Thank you so much guys for watching. We'll be catching you in our next video. Bye.